Hey guys, so if you guys do not know, I'm going to be breeding my male Delta Tail Blizzard and my female Crown Tail, which still needs a name. So hopefully you guys can leave name requests, and so yeah. So I want to show you his bubble nest he's been working on. He kind of just started. So here he is. He's now still working on it, huh, buddy? Huh, Blizzard? So he's been working on it. There's a hole because my sister wanted to touch it. And thank goodness he made it by the heater because I'm so happy. So when they're still in their egg sac, I guess, they're by the heater. I've been feeding them this. So yeah, she's very full of eggs, if you guys can see. And whoa, calm down. Why are you so fussy? Huh? You guys can see that she's really big and she's full of eggs. She's very eggy. So yeah, and she has those, I think, vertical stripes going up and down saying that she's interested in the male. So yeah, he's he's gonna, so I'm going to be breeding them, I think April 14th, hopefully. And so if you guys want one, or, there's no hoping, but if you guys think that maybe if this spawn does turn out to be great and they do grow older, comment if you're thinking of getting one. I'm not promising you that you guys this will be successful because this is like my first time breeding one of my own fish. I've bred a whole bunch of my friends' fish, betas, but breeding my own fish. Yeah. And so I'm not making any promises, but I am. If you guys are interested, then you guys can comment saying yes or saying no, or just like if you want some. So he thinks he's gonna be bred. So he's Dakota. Where'd Dakota go? Let's turn the light off. He's been making his bubble nest, thinking that he's one of the cool fish. I was like, Dakota, you're not going to be bred with anybody. He will, for a while. He will be bred sooner or later, but yeah, he's been kind of working on his bubble nest. But yeah, he's made progress, but he's not going to be bred for a while, so I don't know what he's doing. He thinks he can do it too. So he's just kind of chilling. He's a good daddy. Where'd you go? Stop hiding. There he goes. She's looking for food. I did feed him this morning, and I just fed him a tiny little bit of food because I'm trying to like build up his energy. Because he's going to be a daddy of many. So I'm going to keep him in there for about 3 days to see how it goes. If he's going to eat them, then I'm going to take him out. But if he's being a good daddy and taking care of them, he could stay there maybe for 5 days, because you're supposed to keep them in there for about 3. If they're a bad daddy, you keep them in there for 3 and then you just take them out. But if they're a good daddy, you say you can keep them in for quite longer until he's... You just swam up here, huh, buddy? You just swam up here. So these are his. This is his tail. He's getting tremendous color. Just took a picture. That is so pretty. So yeah, and that's kind of the update. So hopefully this works. And then we'll also do some more updates on him. So see you guys later. Bye.